Okay, in this presentation we're going to look at four pairs of binary numbers, and essentially what we're going to do is add them together. So what we're going to do here is our first pair of numbers are 1111 and 101011. That corresponds to 15 and 43 respectively if we were talking about decimal. I'm not going to put that in really, but if you want to check your numbers afterwards in case I made a mistake, feel free. Okay, so what we do is write these numbers and we start on the right hand side and we move left. So we essentially have them right aligned. And we sort of start at the right hand side as well and we work our way across. So each pair of numbers there, each pair of characters, so to speak. So the first pair on the right hand side, 1 and 1, okay, so that gives us a 0 and we carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives us a 1 and we carry the 1 to the next one. 1, 0 and the carried 1, that also gives us a 0. 1, so we carry the 1 to the fourth pair. 1, 1, and then that carried 1, that gives us a 1 and we carry the 1. 0 and 1, 1, and then finally 1. So that is what our answer should look like. And you can just check that in your calculators that does that work out to 58. It should indeed. Okay, so the key thing there is it's not really too hard. It's essentially just knowing what to do in each case. So again, in this case we had 1 and 1. That would correspond to 1, 0. So we put the 0 down here and then we carry the 1 to the next addition. So the next addition it was 1 plus 1 plus 1, and in binary that's 11. Okay, so essentially we have the 1 here and we carry the 1 to the next phase, the next side, moving to the left. 1, 0, 1 is 1, 0, and again we have carry the 1 there. So it's all about carrying the 1, and that's really how to master it. So hopefully we'll get on very well at the rest of these. We'll go through them very quickly. So the next pair is 1011 and 100011. And again, that should correspond to 11 and 67. I don't really actually have any ordering there, so it could just as easily be 43 and 15 and 67 and 11. There's no real ordering preference there at all. Okay, it's just the way I did it. Okay. So, starting from the right hand side, 1 and 0. Okay, I just took a pause there. I realized I left out a digit. So, 67 is 100011. Okay, so that's correct now. So, starting from the right hand side, 1 and 1, that's 1, 0. So, we put a 0 here and then we carry the 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. Okay, so we put the 1 down here, carry the 1. 0, 0 plus 1. That leaves us 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And then finally, just add in the rest of the digits there because they don't add to anything. There's nothing to add them to. So essentially 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so that is the answer to part B. And again, just to confirm, I accidentally spotted I left out a 0. So there should be 4 zeros in the middle there. So this is part C. Okay, so we start from the right hand side. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So we have a 0 down here. Carry the 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So I have a 0 here and carry the 1. And that means we have 1 there and finally 1. Okay, so the answer should work out to be 110, 1010, which is approximately, it is equal to 116. So the last one is 110110, which is 54, and 111100, which is 60. Okay, 0 plus 0, that gives us 0. 1 plus 0, that should give us 1. 1 plus 1, which is 1, 0. So we leave the 0 down here, carry the 1. So we have 0 plus 1, which is 0, 1 again. Drop the 0 down there and carry the 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. So we have a 1 down here, carry the 1. 1 plus 1, 1 down here, carry the 1 to the next side. So we end up with an extra digit there. So we end up with an answer with 7 digits. And the answer is 1110010. And that should add up to, that should be equal to 114 decimal. Okay, we'll leave it there.